Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 1997 Bobcat 753. This is a C-Series machine. Does have the Boss dash in it, and it does have 2,409 hours on it. They are original. The machine mechanically is 110%. Can't find a single thing wrong with it. We've serviced it, put it through the shop. Cosmetically, the paint, I'm not going to lie, sucks, but it is what it is. They come from a small little concrete contractor. We will have concrete spatter in the front of the machine, which we will show you. We're going to start you right back here at the engine compartment and take you completely around. The machine is powered by a Kubota 43 horsepower. This would be a V2203 4-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There is no abnormal smoke, noise, blow by, anything like that. We've had it in the shop. We've serviced it. Hydraulic, engine, fuel filters, both air filters, completely serviced. Stay right there. I'm going to start it for you. Motor starts excellent. Again, there is no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, oil leaks, anything like that. Injectors, everything there is good and dry. Back door is nice and original. Shuts good. We'll show you. All lights work in the back. Boom is not welded or busted anywhere here in the back. Tires are going to all be 40%. All of them are matched 10/16/5s on good rims. Come up here to the front. Typical Bobcat powder coat had lifted. Someone had sprayed some black paint on it some time ago. Doesn't affect anything, I'm just pointing it out. It does have a set of backhoe mounts to run a 607 or 709 backhoe attachment. But as far as this boom goes, you can see there is concrete spatter on it. I can't help it. We could take the time and try to clean it up. I'm not going to do that. I'm just representing this machine the way it is. The tilt tower itself is not welded or busted on either side. That is very common on something that was abused. A quick attach is very good and tight. We went through it. New top tilt pin. We put new pins and bushings in the bottom. Not that it was needing it. It just had a little wee bit more play in it than I like to see. So we went ahead and went through it. Put a brand new Bobcat seat in it. As far as your boom functions, steering functions, everything is 110%, and I guarantee it to be that. It's just this thing is cosmetically, it's what it is. Cab has one dent right up top here, but all the lights work. I'll take you inside the cab here, and I will show you real quick on the dash. Again, this has the Bobcat, what's called Boss system. One second here. You can see that due to the light. 2,409 hours. Fuel, battery, hydraulic, and water temperatures. And then up here on this side, you just have your switch for headlights. Standard pedal control machine. And can control throttles right here. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera back over. And we're going to fire this thing up again. We're going to run it around and show you how everything works. Oh, we did put a brand new CID 66-inch heavy-duty bucket on it. A low profile. Gives you a nice, good, heavy bucket throwing this machine. there from the video, machine starts, runs excellent. It's purely cosmetics. It's just the paint. That machine has, you know, a lot of people may laugh when I say this, machine just has that feel to it. It is really smooth. The hydrostat is very good and strong. Charge pressure is strong. We do pop a gauge on it. It right has 3,000 psi pressure relief as it's supposed to be. Really is a good machine. Does have the backhoe mounts. Does have auxiliary hydraulics. Brand new bucket. Bucket that's 700 bucks. Again, we've serviced it with throw. I know what it is. It's a good little machine. If you're looking for a good running 753 with low hours, it is 2,409 hours. Boss system. There's no cheating that. It's actual hours. It's just cosmetics, and I can't help that. If you're looking for a good running little machine, here it is. Check us out, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, on eBay at Mark Supply 88. We're located right here at 18563 Bun Mountain Road, Saxton, Pennsylvania, 16678. You want to come by and see it yourself, you're more than welcome to do so. I don't have anything to hide. If you need a transport quote to ship it to you, please let us know. Keep in mind it is always cheaper going to a loading dock or have a rollback service to get it down and off for you. But we have been very successful getting trucks with ramps. It's not an issue, but it is cheaper if you have a dock. Again, you want to come by and see it. We have nothing to hide. You can come run it all afternoon. I don't care. 814-658-3066. Thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a good day.